I'm Yusuf, this is Shawqi, we're Unify, and we're responsible for some of the most impactful murals around Wales. Okay, so we've got three murals, right? Very first one is the Beat Our Mona Lisa, which is based on our My City, My Shirt campaign. The second one is the My Cymru, My Shirt mural. It's basically a life-size mural of our friend Nicole. But the actual mural is referencing a former Welsh player who used to play for Wales in the 80s, who had like a fabulous throw. So we got our friend Nicole to get her throw art. We wanted to recreate that spirit, and here we are in the heart of Cardiff. And the third and final one is a tribute mural to the memory and the legacy of Gary Speed, the former Wales manager. Both of us are born and raised, in Cardiff, right, in Buttown, in Grangetown. There was very little representation. So we wanted to create something, again, that was very visible, right, and very representative of everything around us, right? And I think the fact that there's a lack of it growing up directly inspired what we're doing today. We wanted to showcase Wales' identity, so to speak, right? Using art at scale. We're Welsh artists who work with Welsh artists, right? A lot of our work is giving platform to other Welsh artists. Everybody we've collaborated with in any capacity is being a Welsh artist, right? So it's truly Welsh art generated from Welsh people. A lot of people don't go to museums, a lot of people don't go to exhibitions, so what we decided to do was to bring the art to the people. People have to invest time to go to a museum, go to an exhibition, but if it's on your daily commute and you see a piece of art, right, that's reflective of your community, it's just going to resonate with people so much more.